Good day, I am part of history. I am Kento Nixerin, 20 years old, born and raised in Tagbilaran City, Bohol, currently living in Dampas. I am a third year Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering student. As I navigate through life, I am constantly reminded of the rich history that surrounds me, particularly in my hometown, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. As I reflect on my life, I draw parallels with Francisco Daguhoy, who led an 85-year rebellion against Spanish rule in Bohol from 1744 to 1829. Like Dagohoy, I am driven by a desire for freedom to pursue my dreams, to create, and to make a difference. I am fueled by a passion to contribute to my country's growth and to make my mark on the world. Tagbilaran, my hometown, holds a significant place in Philippine history. It is where the Sandugo, a historic blood compact, took place between Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Dato Sicatuna in 1565. This event symbolized peace and friendship, values that I hold dear. The Sandugo is a reminder that our ancestors were people of honor who valued relationships and understood the importance of coexisting with others. Studying Philippine history is crucial for me and for every Filipino. It shapes our identity, teaches us to contribute to the nation's growth. Our history is a testament to the struggles and triumphs of our people, a reminder that we have a role to play in shaping the future of our country. As future historians will study our time, I see myself as I am, a young Filipino navigating the complexities of the 21st century, striving to make waves in the world. I'm a product of any of my history, a history that has shaped me into the person I am today. My experiences, my passions, and my values are all intertwined with the history of my country. As a maritime student, I see the importance of innovation and progress, but I also see the value of preserving our heritage. I believe that as we move forward, we must not forget our past. It's a history that is still being written. I am not just a student. I am a part of Philippine history.